All right, folks, we've got the final truck of the day, which is the Escondido Disposal McNeilus Zero Radius garbage truck. Whoa. Son of a prójimo. Hope there's no prójimo heads. You know, YouTube, it's been a while since I've filmed the recycling truck. Well, I filmed it 2 weeks ago when it was very late. YouTube, how much y'all like this warm weather? Woo! Woo! My buddy Miguel, YouTube. Yeah! Woo-hoo! Oh, God bless these garbage men for cleaning up the city. Whoa! You know, YouTube, I might as well say this. Attica Waste still surviving in 2024. Whoa! Yeah! Finally, an on-time recycling truck. Whoa! I'm gonna be next to Ed's house. Doing a little chasing video of it. Well, it's going by. Woohoo! Wow. YouTube, first time this morning when I was coming out here, I heard a different garbage truck on yard waste. And I was like, I should have filmed it. I should have filmed it. Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo. Nice. Nice garbage truck. And YouTube, I hope y'all enjoyed this garbage truck video. Make sure y'all give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that y'all never miss any of my future content. And stay tuned to YouTube, because next Friday, a week from this Friday, I'm going to talk about my birthday vlog. So there it is on the red signal. Woo!